that despite being one of the most popular sushi selections, the California roll is not traditional sushi?
I request elaboration.
The roll didn't even come from Japan. And despite its name, it's not from California either. So where did the California roll come from? And who jump-started North American sushi? Stay tuned as we roll it all out. Most people associate sushi with raw fish, but it's the rice that makes sushi what it is. In English, sushi translates as "it is sour." This refers to the flavor of the vinegared rice used in the dish. Sushi chefs undergo years of training to learn how to properly cook the rice before they're allowed to handle any fish or seafood. One such chef was Hidekazu Tojo. In the early 1970s, Tojo moved from Osaka, Japan to Vancouver, Canada, and worked at the Maneki Sushi restaurant. He noticed that customers loved the tempura and teriyaki, but they avoided the sushi. North Americans didn't have a taste for seaweed or raw fish yet, but they did love cooked seafood, especially the local boiled Dungeness crab. Tojo put his training to good use and invoked the idea of omakase by serving customers food that aligned with their local tastes. So he rolled Dungeness crab, cucumber, and avocado inside seaweed. He enticed his picky customers to try his new creation by turning the sushi roll inside out. He covered the seaweed with a layer of rice, and instead of using the traditional fish eggs, he finished his sushi roll with sesame seeds. This gateway sushi, which he called Tojomaki, was such a hit that it quickly made its way across North America. It was so popular in California, it soon became known as the California roll.
Seem fishy to you.
Tojo tried to trademark his creation in the early 1990s, but it had become so popular and varied that it was impossible to trademark the recipe. Today, there are sushi restaurants all over North America, and the California roll is the most popular choice among North American sushi eaters. But Chef Tojo did not stop there. He also created the BC roll, the rainbow roll, and Tojo tuna, also known as tuna sashimi. He's been so influential in creating North American sushi dishes that the Japanese government named him one of only 13 cultural ambassadors for Japanese cuisine. Go Tojo! Perhaps it's time to recognize Chef Tojo for his creation. Should we go back to calling the California roll the Tojomaki roll? Let us know what you think. And have you ever wondered why fresh sushi is so expensive? We'll take a look at that on another episode of Origins of Food.